Hey guys, here's Kitoy eating liverwurst bought at a pet shop in Quezon City, Philippines. So, I think his taste is this is so super, so delicious that he's eating it all. I should have bought many, but maybe next time when it's payday Friday again. Are you done? Yeah, you're welcome. Yummy, ain't it? Oh, he really loves it. I guess there's no more Kitoy. Is there some more? I guess he thinks it's so delicious that he's taking up some time and I'm very hungry right now. Right now. You're welcome. Yeah, because I'm making himself on camera. Good dog. Though he's a cat. My Kitoy, my 9-year-old Siamese cat. Say bye, boy. Are you gonna say bye? Not yet. Okay, I'll wait for you. Bye, Toy.